I have a problem with Amazon Photos Cloud. It's uploading XMP files. If you don't know what XMP files is this files here that Lightroom and other software use to collect some editing features, classifications, whatever, it's saved on this separate file. Now, this is not an image file, but for some reason, Amazon Photos uploads it. And if I go to options, there is no filter that I can apply to not upload those files. And the big problem is it will take video space. And if it gets filled, Amazon app will stop working, saying that you need to buy more storage. Now, there is a half solution that I found because there isn't a bunch of solutions. For example, if I go here and I search for .xmp file, it doesn't show anything, and it's freaking annoying. And the only solution that I found until now is go to folders, and it is giving me this message here that doesn't work, okay? And if I go to my recent photos and I go to this file over here, you can see that there is the XMP file taking my space. So now the only solution that I found was select one by one each files and send it to the trash, which is a pain in the ass when you have a bunch of pictures, okay? Which is freaking annoying and really time wasting, but I found a better solution, a half solution. If you have a better solution the one that I will present, leave it on the comments, please. So the solution that I found is pretty damn simple. First of all, make sure that your trash is clean, okay? Everything is organized. For example, I'm gonna send this to the trash, because I don't need it. Everything it's cleaned in the different separators here, okay? Let's go to folders, and folder that you have to use the browser because in the app or the app on your phone won't work, okay? And I'm gonna select all the files, except these two folders because they don't have XMP files in it. And I'm gonna move to trash. Temporarily, I'm gonna move it to the trash. I know it's scary, but trust me, okay? And I'm gonna press delete, and it will move all the files to the trash. Now, I'm gonna go to the other folder, okay? Do the exact same thing and move it to the trash. And you will repeat this until you have everything on the trash. For this tutorial, I'm gonna jump to the solution now. So I'm gonna go to the trash, and you can see all the photos and videos are here, but you have a separator here called Other. You click on it. You can select the first one, then select all the XMP fucking files, okay? And you press delete permanently, and it will delete the files. Now I'm gonna go back to photos and videos, select all, and restore, okay? Make sure that you have a backup of these of these photos, because if you make a mistake, it will delete everything, okay? So let's press restore, okay? And let's go back to folders, go to the pictures, and let's go to Wonderland. And as you can see, there is no XMP files. It's not a perfect solution, but Amazon do an update on this software would be great.